where letters won't stay still and voices drown the light. Every day, school feels challenging for Johnsel as lessons become difficult to follow. Some classmates misunderstand her struggles, and the quiet comments and laughter make learning even harder. At home, the pressure continues with expectations she tries her best to meet them. Misunderstood at school and overwhelmed at home, Johnsel feels the world around her slowly growing heavier until everything seems to fade into quiet uncertainty.
Ginagawa mo, ha? Ano nga yan? Akin na!
Miss Johnson, can you please stand up? Come in front of the class and answer this equation. Why? What's wrong?
Keep up, yarn! Simple words and yet you can't even read it! Don't be ridiculous! You can't even read the simple letters? Ha? You see her? She is the actual problem! Miss Jewel, can you read what's in the PowerPoint?
Fair use, a legal principle stating that one can use a copyrighted name without a license for the following purposes: commentary, criticism, reporting, research, and teaching.
Wait. Miss Johnson seems like not focused in my discussion. Miss Johnson, please stand up and repeat what Miss Yatar read. Hip hop yarn! Dancing? Come on, Miss Johnson. It's constructed by simple words and yet you can't even read it? Don't be ridiculous.
What is B? Now what's the value of B? And C? Correct. Now that we have identified the values of A, B, and C, we can now solve this equation. Miss Johnson, can you please stand up? Come in front of the class and answer this equation using the quadratic formula I taught yesterday. Why? What's wrong? I've already taught that yesterday, haven't I?
Good afternoon, Mom. Yes, we've already done all of our activities, but Johnson didn't even participate even a little. He's so pabigat, Mom.
Maybe something's wrong with the way she learns. Sige anak, I'll talk to her later na lang. You may go.
You know what, Mom? That girl is lazy and ridiculous. I mean, she always speak about something like birds dancing.
Hey, don't make it sound like that.
I heard that you're talking about the student, John Tucker. Oh yeah, that girl. I think that girl has no future. I mean, she can't even read a simple sentence.
You know what? It's pretty common for a student to be like that. Maybe she's suffering from social anxiety, or maybe she has a condition.
Dyslexia.
Oh yes, dyslexia.
Maybe, but I think she's crazy.
Hey sir, don't be too harsh on Johnson. Maybe she just needs improvements. You know, we can include her in our program.
Ah,
po sila?
Good afternoon. I'm Mr. Kapitan, advisor of Johnson Declan.
Ano po kailangan nyo?
I need to talk to your father.
Si Papa po, doon po siya sa kusina. Pasok po. Pangit na ako!
Please, take a seat. Thank you for coming, sir, but Johnson is just lazy.
It's not laziness, Mr. Nequala. Johnson is dyslexic.
That's just a word for weak. She's not a patient.
He's not a patient. Johnson just needs someone to understand.
Huh? She has dyslexia, sir.
Sir, dyslexia is real. It's type of condition na kung saan di pa rin nakikita ng anak mo saan nakikita ng mga kumbaga po, the letters are dancing and moving on. Sir,
Thank you for addressing me po, sir. We just talk to them sa Can you read this? You can't even read the simple letters? Huh? I put so much effort to let you go to school. And even feed you, yet you can't even learn a thing!
Father, don't yell at me.
Who are you to say that? Alam mo, nakakahiya ka eh, no? Eh, pagkabasa, hindi mo magawa!
Ba't ba kayo nagsisigawan?
Bakit?
Natutulog yung bata ko.
Bakit? Ha? Hindi, no? Mayas ka nga rito! Layas!
Ano naman ba mga problema ninyo? Umiinom ka na naman.
Bakit? Anong problema dyan, ha? Hindi naman yan talaga yung problema eh, no? Eto, tumakitig na utang ng babae ito!
Ha? Ano makitid?
Hindi mo ba alam kanina na pumunta yung teacher niya rito? Nagsusumbong na sa simpleng salita, hindi niya mabasa. Sayang na din yung panahon kong pinagpapaaral sa'yo eh. Pati na pera, di ba?
Pera mo? Perang pampaaral sa kanya, pera sa mga bisyo mo.
Kapal na ng mukha mo eh, no?
O sige, tawagan natin si nanay para malaman yung pinaggagawa mo sa amin.
Subukan mo para magkaalaman tayo.
Ano ba?
Ano ginagawa mo, ha? Ano nga yan? Akin na!
Ito eh!
Kapal din ang mukha mong tumawag pa sa nanay mo eh, no? Bakit? Anong susumbong mo, ha?
Johnson, go! Join the ARAL program.
class. So let's start our lesson for today. Miss Johnson, can you please read what's in the board?
The importance of education lies not only in knowledge but in understanding.
Very good, Johnson.
Wait! Ikaw ba talaga yan, Johnson? Ang ilaw ha.
Alright, who wants to solve this problem? Yes, Miss Johnson. Please come forward. That's correct. Class, this is what progress looks like. Johnson worked really hard in the annual program, and now we're seeing the results. And remember, class, learning is not the same for everyone, but everyone can learn. Tandaan niyo yan, ha? Yes, ma'am. Kaya ko pala, hindi ako mali. Natuto lang ako sa tamang oras.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Johnson.
I have something for you to check po.
Johnson, that's great. I know you really can do it, but, you're forgetting something in here.
But the calculation seems right, sir. What could be done wrong?
Ikaw yung valedictorian, meaning ikaw yung magbibigay ng speech sa school natin.
Wow! Really, sir? So, that means I'm the top one, right?
Yes, Johnson,
I'm
you
really
are.
glad. I'm really glad, sir, that my hard work finally pays off.
I'm very proud of you, Johnson.
Thank you, sir.
Joseph Denise Requirement with high honors.
To this day, I'm standing in front of you, proudly as a presentation of someone that will do their best in order to achieve their goal. But in order to accomplish that, I would like to thank God, my parents, for their unwavering support, and especially to the teacher who saw the potential in me, Sir Raza. Thank you for shaping me to what I am today.
Class, I'm the valedictorian of our class.
It seems that this is the end, huh? You don't need me anymore. Look at you. You already achieved your dream. There will be no next time, John. Not anymore. I have fulfilled my mission. To tell you the truth, I was once like you, a person focused on reflection.
Si Ma.